Once upon a time, there lived three friends: Kela the cat, Cubby the cub, and Kitty the kitten. They were very fond of going to the picnic and arranging the outdoor camps. They used to arrange campfires too and enjoy a lot. Whenever they used to get hungry, they used to start eating the carrots and relish a cup of coffee. Soon they got so much bored that they went to their friend Collie the koala. Their friend koala was sleeping on the tree. They wanted to ask him if he could help them in arranging some picnic with a twist. Since Collie lived on the trees, he gave a wonderful idea. He said that he had seen many kites flying in the sky yesterday, so why not arrange one kite picnic? And all of them got so much thrilled thinking about the kite picnic. They had never celebrated a kite picnic before. So all of them arranged for a beautiful, colorful kites. And they went to the ground with their kites. All throughout the afternoon, they flew the kites and enjoyed a lot. Now they were super hungry and they wanted to eat something which they had packed. So they quickly spread their mat and sat on it to relish the food. They got cupcakes, Coke, and cookies with them. And then they enjoyed a lot eating all their food and relaxed. Kitty, Cubby, Kyla thanked Collie for arranging such a memorable and unique picnic for them. Cub, cat, kitten, kite, koala, cookies, Coke, and cake. Happy learning, children. Bye-bye.